In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deactivated Facebook account. If your Facebook account was deactivated and you want to get back in, the good news is that in many cases the process is simple. Usually, if the account was deactivated by you and not permanently removed, signing back in is enough to reactivate it. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can restore access as smoothly as possible. To begin, open Facebook. You can do this either by launching the Facebook app on your phone or tablet, or by visiting the Facebook website in your browser on a computer. Use whichever option is most convenient for you. The process is very similar across devices, so you should be able to follow along easily no matter where you're logging in from. Once Facebook is open, go ahead and sign in using the account you want to recover. Enter the email address, phone number, or username linked to that Facebook account. After that, type in your password and select Log In. Make sure you're entering the correct login details for the deactivated account, since using a different account won't restore the one you're trying to recover. If Facebook asks you to complete a security check, don't worry. This is a normal part of the process and is designed to confirm that you're the rightful account owner. You may be asked to enter a security code sent to your email address or phone number. Check the device or inbox where that code is sent, then type it in carefully. In some cases, Facebook may show additional on-screen instructions to verify your identity, so simply follow each prompt until the verification is complete. After you successfully sign in and complete any required security steps, your Facebook account will usually be reactivated automatically. In many situations, there's no separate recovery button to press. Logging in is what triggers the reactivation. Once that happens, your profile should become available again, and your friends, photos, posts, and other account content should be restored as well. If things don't update immediately, give it a moment and allow Facebook time to refresh your account. It can also help to close and reopen the app or refresh the website after signing in. And that's it. Open Facebook, sign in with your account details, complete any security checks if prompted, and your deactivated account should be reactivated automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.